How infinite banking saves lives. Thank you for watching Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell so you can be notified every Tuesday and Thursday we come out with brand new videos. Please stay tuned to the end of the video to get a valuable tool today and learn how you can make more money by working smarter, not harder. So today's topic is how infinite banking saves lives. Today, before we get started, I want to make a promise to you. I'll make this concept of infinite banking so simple and easy to understand that even a 12-year-old school kid won't have any problem to get it. Now, let's begin. The secret of infinite banking can be summed up in one sentence. When you use your whole life insurance policy to take care of your personal finances or expenses by replacing the traditional banking function, you become your own banker. So the question is, why should you replace the traditional banking function from your life? To achieve your financial freedom by becoming debt-free and creating a perpetual passive income for life. And how can you do that? With these two simple words, recapture and reinvest. And in a moment, I'll go into the details as to why these two words are so relevant for your financial freedom. Recapture and reinvest. But before that, let me ask you a question. Do you want a passive income for life without changing your lifestyle? Now, if your answer is yes, then let's focus on these three questions. 1. How much interest you'll pay, home, auto, credit, college loans, in your lifetime. Number 2, is $500,000 to $1 million enough to fund a passive income for your tax-free retirement? Number 3, would you like to be 100% debt-free and create a perpetual passive income stream? I'll go one by one with these three questions with you. Our first question was, how much interest you'll pay in your lifetime to your creditors. We all know that at some point of our life, we'll take loans from those banks to buy our house, our car, and to fund our education in the form of student loans and of course the almighty credit card. And so, we incur a lot of debts. And on these debts, we pay interest to our creditors, correct? An average American family pays anywhere in between $1,200 and $2,000 just in the form of interest to these banks each and every month. If you total it up, it will shock you, the amount is so big. Are you ready for that? Okay, here you go. In our lifetime, we pay somewhere in between $280,000 and $450,000 just in interest to our creditors on an average. Are you with me so far? Now, let's go to point number 2. What if someone comes to you and says, if I give you this $450,000 right now, go ahead and invest it with a guaranteed compound interest, how much money do you think it'll build in your portfolio in the next 10, 20, or 30 years? Will it be $1 million? Will it be more than that? You do the math. All I'm asking is, will it be enough to fund an extra passive income for your tax-free retirement? And there comes those two magic words, recapture and reinvest. Recapture all the interest that is leaving your portfolio right now and reinvest that money in your own bank by becoming your own banker. And it is as easy as just opening an account with a life insurance company in the form of a whole life insurance. But wait, these whole life insurance policies are a little bit different than your traditional whole life policies because we focus here more on building cash value rather than death benefit. And just because it's so simple, you may call it a foolproof infinite banking. Even a 12-year-old kid can do that. And after opening your account, you start funding into it every month in the form of monthly premiums. Once it grows some money in the pot, you can take out some loan from here on a very low interest rate and pay off your high interest credit card, auto loan, and eventually your mortgage. And by doing that, you implement the banking system in your own account. And instead of paying that interest to your creditors, you pay it back to yourself. And that is the meaning of recapture and reinvest. Recapture all the interest that is leaving your portfolio right now in the form of interest and reinvest both principal and interest back into your own banking system. And that brings us to the third point. Would you like to be 100% debt-free and create a perpetual income stream? If your answer is yes, then this system called Infinite Banking Concept, or IBC for short, can get you there. So, next time if someone asks you, are you 100% sure that you're going to have a great retirement, or do you have some doubts? You'll be able to say with confidence, yes, I'm sure. Now, to recap the whole video as to how infinite banking saves lives, we like to say this. The infinite banking concept is all about using a whole life insurance policy to create your own banking system so that you can leverage the cash value inside that policy and finance your lifestyle as opposed to going to the banks. So you can keep all of that principal and interest for yourself every single year. This in turn lets you use that money to pay for things that are important to you, such as a house, car, college, or medical debts that would have gone unpaid if all your principal and interest went to the bank instead of your own pockets. And finally, here's the bonus tool for the day. If you're really serious about getting rid of your debts and creating a source of perpetual passive income for life, all you need to do is write down on a piece of paper in one sentence as to how much money you want to make and when you want to make it. Write it in the present tense, like I make so much or I have so much money in the bank by such and such date. Write that sentence down and hide it somewhere. Believe in it, and then let it do its magic. You'll be surprised down the road what such a simple trick can do in your financial life. Now, I have a question for you. What is the one thing you got from this video? Please let us know in the comments section. It'll help us improve our message. Also, if you're worried about paying your debts and creating a source of perpetual passive income, we have a free book called Infinite Banking Secrets, where we share different ideas on how you can utilize your whole life insurance policy to achieve your financial freedom. So check out the link below and visit our Masterclass. And if you're impatient like me, you can go ahead and book a one-on-one free consultation over Zoom. It's a pro bono service because we love to educate people like yourself, and you don't need to buy anything at the consultation. So book a free consultation with us by clicking the link below in the description, and don't forget to download our free book called Infinite Banking Secrets. And if you like this video, let us know by liking it and leaving a comment for us. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And hit the notifications bell so that you're notified when we upload new videos.